Mm. Wow, the flavors in this curry, the avocado, it just takes it to another level. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Cooking with Me in my kitchen space. So today we are making something sort of a sausage curry. At times your taste buds feel like eating something very delicious, but at times you do not know what exactly to prepare. So you can try out this recipe and I'm sure you're going to love it. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for today's recipe, and I'm going to start from here. And here I have finely chopped onions. This is half a medium-sized onion, and you can also notice that all the other ingredients I've chopped them into very small pieces because we are making a curry and we do not want a lot of things happening in our curry. I also have my dania stalks or dania stems, and you can also notice that today I'm not using the dania leaves or the coriander leaves. I also have my capsicum, just a small piece but finely chopped. I have my tomato paste, and I'm not using tomato for today. Here I have my list of spices, and here I have my salt, a pinch of black pepper. This is Royco powder, and this is chicken masala, but I'm using my beef smokies. But instead of using my beef seasoning, I've decided to go with the chicken seasoning just because I find it more flavorful than the current beef seasoning that I have. I have soy sauce over here, and this is just mainly for the color, to enhance the color of my curry. Here I have 3 chopped smokies. This is coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk, and I've made a video of how you can extract your fresh coconut milk from scratch. So because I'm using a cream, I also need some water to dilute this cream of mine. But if at all you're going to be using coconut milk that you made from scratch, as I showed you in a video that I'm going to link somewhere, you do not need the water. I have my cooking oil, and of course I'm going to be accompanying my curry with some rice. And so this is half a glass of rice, and on the other side I have a glass of water that is already boiling, and I boil my rice with water in a ratio of 1:2. So let's proceed to the other side and let's get cooking. So here I have my water that is boiling, and I'm going to add my washed rice. I had already added some salt into the water so that it can boil a little bit faster, and I'm also going to add about half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Give this a quick stir, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook. And before I forget, I've also done a similar video to this one where I prepared some chicken tikka masala, and I'm also going to link it at the end of the video and also the top comments, so be sure to check it out and also try it out and let me know how it goes for you. I'm going to start by adding my onions and my dania stems, and I'm also going to add this for holes so that they can fully cook, because as I mentioned earlier, I do not want a lot of things happening in my curry today. So I want to make sure that they fully cook and I get the most flavor and aroma out of this. So I'm going to saute this till the onions start becoming a little bit translucent. Today we do not have to brown our onions or make them golden brown. So let's have a taste, and as you've seen, it was that easy. So let's have a taste. Wow, the flavors in this curry. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, just try out this combination of this curry, the rice, and the avocado. It just takes it to another level. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Whoa, God. Mm. This is so delicious. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Wow, wow. Mm. So let me go and add the remaining avocado and the remaining rice, cause easy siwezi shiba. So it was that easy. Try this recipe. Tag me on my Instagram at ndongo.kitchen. You can also tag me on my personal Instagram or Facebook, or also WhatsApp. Send me your recreations of this, and I'm going to repost. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye. Mm. Mm. Mm.